Hi, I'm Charlotte. I've written a book called How to Repair Your Own Credit, in which I teach you about credit reporting and how to increase your credit score. Have you ever tried to get a loan or credit card but were turned down? Or tried to buy a car after seeing a 0% financing ad, only to learn that you did not qualify for 0%, but instead your rate was more like 12%? Are you paying more for your home loan than your neighbor because your mortgage rate is higher? I have been a victim of all of these. The problem was I had bad credit and a low credit score. Since then, I've learned how to manage my credit and now have good credit. In my book, How to Repair Your Own Credit, I explain the credit reporting process and credit repair. I tell you what creditors are looking for in your credit report, what makes your credit rating go up and down, and how to increase your credit score. I also share my own story about how I survived a car repossession, 2 bankruptcies, near foreclosure, and yet lived to charge again. By applying the methods in my book, you save time and money and learn credit management habits that will last you a lifetime. So go to www.howtorepairyourown.credit.com, get my book, and learn how to repair your own credit and increase your credit score.